Money makes people happy, so today we're building something to keep it safe. Well, at least safer than hiding it under a mattress. This isn't just any wooden box, it's a custom engraved money gift box. Everything starts inside RDWorks. The box itself is pretty straightforward. But the lid needs a little more attention, because it isn't just a plain lid. It's getting a custom engraved design. There's only one problem. The finger joints don't really care about my artwork if I place the picture in the wrong spot. A giant slot will go straight through someone's face, which isn't exactly the premium look I'm going for. So I carefully move everything around, making sure the image and text stay clear of every joint. A few small adjustments later, everything finally lines up perfectly. Sometimes designing takes longer than actually building the thing, but spending 2 extra minutes here saves a lot of regret later. Now the file is ready, which means it's finally laser time. First, the laser starts engraving the lid. This is always my favorite part. Watching a blank piece of wood slowly turn into something useful never gets old. The engraving comes out nice and sharp, exactly how I wanted it. Now it's time to cut everything out, panel after panel. The laser quietly does all the hard work. Meanwhile, I'm standing here pretending I'm supervising. In reality, I'm just enjoying the free laser show. A few minutes later, every single part is finished. Nothing moved, nothing caught fire. I'd call that a successful day. Now all that's left is turning this pile of flat pieces into an actual box. Now comes the least exciting part of every laser project, sanding. Because every freshly cut piece looks like it just came back from a barbecue, out comes the sanding machine. My wrists are already thanking me for not doing this by hand. A few passes later, everything feels nice and smooth, exactly how it should. Now I blast every part with compressed air, mainly because sawdust has somehow managed to get absolutely everywhere, even places that don't make any sense, with everything clean. It's finally time for glue. Just some good old PVA, nothing fancy. I start assembling the box piece by piece. The finger joints fit together surprisingly well, which is always a nice surprise. A little tap here, a little pressure there, and suddenly it actually starts looking like a real box. Once it's together, I go back and add extra glue to all the inside joints, because I'd rather overbuild it now than have someone's birthday money explode across the floor later. Now we just let the glue do its thing. The box is finished. which means there's only one thing left to do: find some money. Obviously, all my cash is stored safely inside my highly secure vault. Please don't look while I enter the PIN, it's top secret. If you guessed that, congratulations. You're now legally obligated to forget it. Inside the safe is my enormous fortune. Or at least what's left after buying plywood. I grab a nice stack of cash, walk over to the box, and immediately realize I've made one tiny mistake. The box is way smaller than the money stack. I try anyway. Maybe if I believe hard enough it'll fit. Nope. Physics wins again. After a brief negotiation with reality, I settle for one €20 note. Sorry, birthday boy. Inflation has been rough. At least the box looks expensive, even if the contents don't. Despite the tiny financial setback, I'm really happy with how this turned out. The engraving came out sharp, the box feels solid, and it makes gifting money a lot more personal. If you enjoyed the build, leave a like, subscribe for more laser projects, and let me know, what should I build next? Hopefully something that can fit more than €20.